Hello friends, how are you? This is Hari Heather from Robotronics. Today I am here to teach you about the RCcar, how to make the RCcar. These all are the essential components for the RCcar. First I have to connect the gear motor with the chassis. The gear motor will connect with the nut. Now the gear motors are ready. This is the battery, the lithium ion battery. The Arduino board, I have to connect the Arduino board first. This is the power button, the edge bridge, and I have to connect it, but unfortunately the wires are short, so I have to replace it again. So the motor wires are ready to connect with the edge bridge. So I have to adjust the length of the wires as according to the edge bridge. This is the good practice when you are using jumper wire with the edge bridge. So for the secure connection, I have to solder it. So I have connected these jumper wire with a screw. So now you have to remove jumpers from the edge bridge as we will use the PWM pin. And now you have to use 6 wires from here, and pin numbers are mentioned in the program that you will get in the description. This is the main component for the charging. This is module, charging module which will charge the lithium ion battery, and later on we will use it for the power source. So I have to connect these batteries with this module via a connector. This is the female connector connected with it. Sorry if the video is blurred, but unfortunately I have forgotten to focus it, and after that I can't make it again, so kindly these two wires are connected with the lithium ion battery, and the another two wires are connected with the female connector. From one side it will charge, from the another side it will provide power to the lithium ion battery, and from lithium ion battery we will get the power for the RC car. So I have fixed it with the glue gun. So now I have to connect it Basically, I am connecting this the common wire with this one. So the common wire will be connect with the connector, and the positive wire will go through from the button. So from that we can control the power from the button. This is the common wire port, which will connect to the Arduino, the edge bridge, and the power source battery. So now I am providing the power 5-volt power and common wire to the Arduino. From edge bridge it will turn on. So now you can see the power. This was basically the power button. This is a Bluetooth module, and it has 4 wires. One is the GND, one is the power 5-volt, and 2 is for the communication RX and TX. Now I have turned on the power. This is the charging port, and you can see the batteries are charging. Now I will connect the wheels with the RC. I will connect roof also with it for the beautification for this RC car. Now it's pretty good. Now the time is to upload the program. First you have to connect the RC robot with the data cable. You have to copy this program, as the link will be mentioned in the description, and you have to paste it into the Arduino program, and then after you have to upload it to the right port. Now you have to check. You have to first turn on the Bluetooth from your device, and you have to first pair it with your device. Oh, sorry, I forgot it to turn on. Right now you can see HC05. The password will be 1234, and after that you have to install this application from internet and press setting, connect, and HC05, and now you can enjoy this. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, my page. Thank you so much. Bye bye.